good evening, all of you. Today, my name is Atul Kumar, and I'm going to start the topic. The topic given to us is triple talaq law. So, in my opinion, this topic is a bit sensitive one because when the case were fighting, when the people were fighting these cases, it was a very huge chaos in the whole country about this topic. That is it good or it is bad? Both of the opinions were very much crucial for this topic. So I think that this is a very sensitive topic. So in my opinion, it is crucial topic. So now I invite you all to join the discussion.
It's okay, Atul. Okay, greetings of the day, guys. So we are here to discuss on the very sensitive topic, as my colleague said, triple talaq. Basically, it was decision of our prestigious Supreme Court by the NDA government in the last year, which benefited the Muslim ladies of our country. That decision was on behalf of the happiness of Muslim ladies, as they were tortured or forcibly married to Muslim men for the baby manufacturing, only for the purpose of baby manufacturing. And what the some of the Muslim men what do, not all of them, some of them what do that they only use her like a baby manufacturer and leave her by giving what divorce and married and again married to another lady. So for by this the life of the previously married lady became hard or harsh, because as he does not have any husband living with him to support, so she have to live on herself, as well as she has to what
Feed her own children.
feed her so thanks feed her and her child also. So the decision was mostly benefiting the Muslim lady, but the Muslim men were hardly opposing this decision, because they were against the decision, because their fantasy and desire were gone to hell. I have already used that the what they did to the women ladies. So that was from my side.
So yes,
Now, Kundu, please.
Okay,
so
okay. Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to add one thing, that the triple talaq law. What is that? Okay. The first thing is that the talaq word has to be used 3 times. Okay. And in any case, like the husband, wherever the husband is giving talaq to his wife, he has to use that talaq word 3 times in text, emails, whatever. Okay, that is the main thing. And then why triple talaq law came? Why? With why it will come? Like if someone is doing marriage with someone, okay, marrying someone, then why after that the talaq comes? The word talaq comes. They should know each other very well. That's why they would marry. But it doesn't happen like that. The society forces them many times. Otherwise, the family pressure. There are many things like this. So the triple talaq law was good for few amount of people in the society, but it also hampers few amount of people in the society. It hampers very badly, because for example, you take like there is a children, okay, there is a child, okay, and their parents are separating, okay. So what will be his childhood? Can you say that? It is very pathetic. It is very pathetic. So according to me, that this triple talaq law should be, it has been banned. And whatever that this law involved the government and the Supreme Court both, whenever that type of cases came. So according to me, this type of law should be should be banded, okay? And it also be banded last year, as Anand told. No, it hasn't
No,
banded. No,
okay.
No, it has
You're
not been banned. It has been implemented.
yeah, it has been implemented, but according to me, it should not be there like that of that kind of law. It is okay, fine, but it hampers the child's life very pathetically, very pathetically.
How
you are
does
So
this
confused.
hamper?
No,
It's
no,
already.
Kandu, you are confused about the topic. The
Yes, yes,
triple,
he has not been clear
yes,
about what the triple
the
talaq
the
means and how
triple
it works.
triple talaq
So
law
please
was
describe,
that,
Batul.
yeah, the triple talaq law was that a man said, as you said, that three times talaq, 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 and the woman and man are separated. So this law has banned. This law is no more. Okay, it is
yeah,
it have been banned.
that only I told you. It has
No,
been
but
banded.
no, but you you are saying no. This law should be they not hamper here. Okay, but I
Yeah,
want
that
to
yeah, I
I
was
want to
confused in
add
that.
some points. Okay,
It's okay. It's
you
okay to
both are correct.
confuse, but now we are.
Even I agree with you both. But what you will say if uh, I say that you and your wife or someone is having a bad relationship, is not happy with each other, and then also you have to live together. How will you feel? Will you feel happy? Will you be happy with each other? Tell me.
First of all, that
Just
scene will
yes or no.
come when
Just yes or
why?
no.
Why that scene will come? Why?
No, no. I am
No,
saying that because
that is
as you
why.
said,
Why?
yes,
Why it will come?
as I'm saying
Tell
that
me what
as
that
you
position why?
अरे बोलने तो दो भाई
Why it will come? If you
Okay,
choose
okay.
this
You have
life,
asked
come.
Kundu question from Atul. Let him speak.
yes, yes,
Okay, okay,
let
you
me
say.
speak. Yes, as you said, Kundu, you only said that in the family pressure, okay, in the family pressure, the woman is being married with you. Okay, the family of the girl is forcing her to marry with you, but neither, as you see the in Mirzapur too. In Mirzapur too, you have seen that Munna Bhaiya was married forcefully
Very good
with,
reference. Very nice.
yes, with that politician's daughter. So were they happy in beginning? In beginning, I am saying, uh, in were they happy? Is that life will you enjoy? The marriage is something which
Definitely not.
yes, definitely not. So you have to end that, and that this is the best method to do that without paper, without any hesitation, no law, no one will interfere between you. You just have to say talak, 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 and the matter is closed. No paperwork. Save trees, save paper. Okay, so it is a very good law if both agree. Yes, sometimes when as Anand said that some uses as a baby manufacturer, even in Hindu uh, religion also these things happen, but there is no nothing like talak talak. They even they are married and then also they marry again with another woman. Even he also destroyed the life of both the women.
In Hindu religion, it doesn't occur, no.
Yes, yes, it happens many.
Yes, yes. We
Yes,
have some families living in India that have two wives,
yes,
and
even
both are living
uh,
happily. They have
yes,
not
I
separated.
am saying one the Supreme Court uh, judge, he has two wives. I think that, yeah, no, I think that Rajat
Yes, we have many,
someone
many more examples.
someone is there, he's keeping two wives. What the law is, I think that good, but it should have some limitations. As Anand said,
Restrictions
Limitation.
or
yes.
rules
As
and regulations.
Anand said, yes. That birth manufacture that should not be happen. Okay, but
What
it is
Anand
not
said?
a bad law. Birth manufacturer,
Women are
child
used just as
manufacturer,
birth, baby
baby
manufacturer, child
Acha,
manufacturer.
oh
Yes,
manufacturer.
yeah,
that is
yeah,
not
yeah.
good.
Men only married women for baby purpose.
Yes, but you can't say that this law was not good. Yes, it was good because when the both lady are not in a good relationship, so they can anytime, as in our when the law came, we have to go to court, we have to file complaint, then the case is being fight.
Petition. You have to file
Yes,
petition.
on Tariq pe Tariq is coming. So no
Yes,
result
dates and
came at
dates are
last.
given. And
Yes.
no,
So and this law
yes,
solves the problem immediately. You just have to say. If you don't want to say, if you are dumb, then you can just type talak, 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 and the job is done. You both live a happy life. What do that's my point
This
on
top
this.
means everyone. This is the
This
topic.
topic is a controversial topic, no?
Yes,
Like
This is not controversial. Everyone
it is.
will agree because nobody
how
wants women to be suffocated.
No,
Suffer.
everyone will not agree. No. How do you think that
see
the women suffer? How
it
do you?
it not only it only that it not every time that women will only suffocate
Yes,
it
yes.
and
Men are also
men are
suffocated
No, no,
by
you can't
marrying
say
three
that.
three women. You also can understand that men are also suffocated. Lots of energy required.
Yes. Yeah, and the responsibility also increases from each woman. There are two childs and the three women and
Yes.
six childs. How will you manage? That's why this system is there. Talak, talak, talak. You go on, I go on.
Yes, yes, at most important point is the sex ratio of our country will be imbalanced
Yes,
because there
yes,
are so many unmarried men, those who are not being married due to the sex ratio because some girls are not available
yes,
for
yes.
the
And
marriage.
this law
If
makes them
one person
available.
will marry three,
Yes. It
yes,
is
this
just
law
like
makes them available
yes, it is
every.
just like online, offline. You are online now. When you are engaged, you are offline. Then somebody does talak, talak,
this
talak. You are online again. You can yes. So now let's
so,
conclude.
so according to you, Atul, you were saying that the paperwork should not be there. It should be verbal.
Yes, the
He is not saying that.
no, I am saying that this law, the triple talak law, was good. I am in favor of that. Okay. Not it will be really controversial if I say in public, but for now the topic for
Okay,
now
okay,
I am
okay.
saying
That's enough for the favor
But
of this topic. Let's talk
but
about some. Okay, okay. Thank you.
uh,
Let's talk about some demerit of this law. Is there any demerit?
yeah, the
yes,
demerit, there
full.
are many demerits,
It
no,
is
like
full of
if
demerit. Everything has even
yes,
last week I have said you Anand.
it is full of
Even
demerit. Like it is
even
destroying a family. It is destroying and
no
separating a
no
family like
no
this.
Destroying a man's fantasy.
no. It
You
has
are focusing on that man's fantasy.
yes because I am
Because
one
I'm very much
because
interested
I
in
am
that
one of
area.
them. You are Kundu the other side, so you are defending the other side. But I am man, so I care for
Yes, you
the
have to defend. You have to say
yes,
some against.
yes. So I
You have,
am just
you
saying
have
that
previously said that there are many faults in this law. So please give some points, strong viewpoint.
about
What?
for what?
You have previously told that there are so many demerits and faults in this law. So please some mention some important one or the major one, if any.
You you are asking to me.
Who told?
No, no, I am asking to Kundu because he is
Yes,
attacking. No?
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, there like first point is that I have mentioned earlier that point is according to me is very stronger and
What point?
preferable.
Just
That
which
kindly
not
repeat.
that point.
yeah I
Which
am
that?
telling.
What is
The
that?
point is that I am
What?
telling
Please
that
elaborate that.
He is making
it's
symbolic sign of his.
separating it's separating
What
it's
can we
mainly
understand from
wait
this?
wait wait it's mainly separating the family that in most of the cases
How?
a
Okay.
child should
Let
bear that thing.
let me speak one. Okay, I will just ask you one question again, Kundu. This time you will answer me. Okay. Uh, you
Okay.
you you are married with a woman. Okay, but neither woman loves you. I don't know about you. You will love him. I don't. But woman doesn't love you. He doesn't.
Then why
She
should I marry her? Then
Arey,
why
in
should I marry
family
her?
pressure, in family,
There are many questions.
I
Just
have
listen
given you
to this
example
case.
also.
I will talk to them. No, I will talk to them.
This
I will
is
not marry this
this
woman.
is
Just
If I
listen to
hypothetical.
the
What I
case.
will not do.
Let him complete.
Let me. If your father said that either you marry or I will die, then what you will do? You have to marry. Okay. This is called family
Yes,
pressure.
there is no option left
Okay. This is called
behind.
family pressure. You are married with a woman. The woman doesn't love you. Okay. She always says you talak, talak, talak. But as she is woman, you you are not divorced. But when you will say talak, 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 it is done. Then you both will be free. Then no one will bother you about the you are happy or not. You will both be happy because neither of you love each other. So is it good? Is it good that let me finish? Is it good, or you have to be together whole life hating each other? Which option you will choose?
It is good, but
No, no. What you will?
tell
It
me
is
one
good,
thing.
not what you will choose.
Okay,
What you will
your
choose.
point of view is okay. Your point of view is okay. Now let me talk.
No,
That
you
if
you
you
you have
had a
not
time,
answered my question. You have not answered my question.
yeah, I have told no, yes, that will be a happy option. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
okay,
then
fine.
you
Okay,
will
next,
give
next,
talak.
Both
you,
happy.
you told, okay, let's
Yes, I
cool
told
down the
yes.
chaos. Let's cool down the chaos. Move on the further next point that Kundu is saying that there are many points. So first one, we have understood that the separation of family will occur. Who told that separation of family will occur? Talak, talak, talak means the separation of family occur. If this rule is banned, so how the family will separate it? Okay. So first point of view is not that much of clear. Let's move to second point. Kundu?
Uh,
Says Sajal. Or as the time already is being in,
और तो भाई दे ये.
you have
It's
to
okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
so
We have
let's
very
conclude.
fantastically,
Let's
yes,
conclude.
we have very fantastically said our point of views, and we have stuck somewhere, but it's okay. It's very obvious. So, please conclude, Atul.
Yes, as I said, the law is good, but it should have some limitations that if the woman, there should be both sides. There should be six talak, not three talak, triple not. Uh, what you say, six talaks, because three from both the sides, then it should be uh, completed.
Means 3 minus 3 equal to 0.
No, three
That
plus
means there is no separation.
yes, no, there will be separation, but by both the party, and it will save
Both
your
the party.
paper.
If both
Yes,
the
it
party
will.
agree, then it
Okay.
will be separated and
Yes.
divorce
Then it
will be
is a
given.
okay.
Very nicely explained. Kundu, please conclude it in few points.
According to me, I will conclude as I have told earlier that I am against this law.
Whole country is
So
against
You
this
have
law.
not validated your points.
yeah, that is a different thing. I am
Okay,
concluding
okay,
finally.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
So it is literally a controversial topic that someone will like and someone not. According to me, there are no benefits of this law.
Then you are
So
not
I
man.
conclude here. This is
Okay,
this is
okay. Thank you for your conclusion. And at last, my point of view said that the rule, the regulation, or the limitation is definitely required in this law because the foundation are not given in this law because every time women is what I can say. Every time there is not fault of men. There are women also. So this law can be used against as a crime. So that's another topic, but the limitation and regulation must be there. That's all. Thank you.
So it was nice to talk. Let's end the discussion.